Hi all, this is Ashish Kyal here. Welcome again to Ashish Kyal Trading Gurukul learning series by wavestrategy.com. In this short video, going to analyze a small cap stock, Comfort FinCap, and we are going to see how one can, even by looking at the techniques that we have been doing, by looking at volumes, looking at trend lines, looking at moving averages, can still take a very calculated risk and informed decision in order to whether to invest or trade in that stock or not. Let's just go on the chart and very quickly check these simple techniques that I'm going to share across with you, which you can yourself apply and apply it on any of the stocks right from small cap. So we have been discussing a lot about large cap, mid cap stocks. I thought why not to start focusing on small cap stocks when we can clearly see a lot of euphoria being generated there in this current market scenario, which is going on the upside. So let me just share across quickly and let's start analyzing in a simple step by step process कि वॉल्यूम को अगर आप देख रहे हैं, अगर आप ट्रेंड लाइन को देख रहे हैं, अगर आप टाइम कर सकते हैं स्टॉक्स को, then how to go about it. So let me just share the screen here. Okay, this is the stock I'm talking about, Comfort FinCap, and I've shown volumes and time cycles along with that. So सबसे पहली चीज जो आपको देखनी है when you are looking at the stock, the first thing that you have to observe is what is the trend. If you look at this stock has gone from sub 7 levels to 78. Nearly, that's a huge rise, right? More than 10 times in just short span of time. But क्या फर्क पड़ता है for a trader and a technical analyst practitioner? You need to first understand the trend. So the trend for the stock is on the upside is what we can make out. Then we need to understand where is the support and resistance for this stock. If you're looking at it, the upper end of the resistance for the stock comes to the zone of around 82, which is this level, 82 के आसपास, and the support of the stock comes around 71, which is the moving average support you can see, and the trend line support comes around 70. So that's the support and the resistance levels you can find out. Basis of that, you can evaluate your risk reward and then try and find out whether you want to trade in that stock or not if the risk reward is favorable. Very importantly, that I'm observing on the stock is the volumes. If you'll check before the big move started on the upside, the volume started picking up big time in this stock, and it was around somewhere around 14 15 rupees, and then you saw a huge run up, and now the volumes are again picking up. If you look at that, the volumes are again picking up in this stock. That's very interesting observation. Now this can be distribution or reaccumulation, that we don't know yet. ओके उसके लिए हमने अप्लाई किया है, राइट हैंड साइड पे आप देखोगे, दिस इज नोन एज वॉल्यूम प्रोफाइल. This volume profile is on the shown on the right hand side. It states that the area of point of control, which is the area where the highest volume has taken place, is in the zone of 74 to 73 level. That's the zone where highest volume has taken place and prices are sustaining about that high volume zone. ठीक है, यहाँ पर पॉइंट ऑफ कंट्रोल के ऊपर सस्टेन कर रहा है, विच इज अ पॉजिटिव साइन लुकिंग एट इट सो फार. So as long as this 70-71 is protected, the stock looks to be in a positive trend. Once this 70 level breaks, then it will indicate something has changed. Okay, that's one. Next, as a trader, you should remember you should always bet on the direction of the trend. So I'll never bet against it. That's what I want to say. Along with that, I've also applied a cycle. This is a 54 days time cycle I've applied here. You can see a low formed here and a rally, low formed here, then the rally which happened, a low formed again around the month of October before the big move happened from 50 to around 80 levels. And the next low as per this time cycle is going to happen by third week of December. So that is the time frame where I'm going to keep a watch on this stock. So what I'm trying to say is, even if you are analyzing a small cap stock, you can still apply these studies that we have been doing for so long, and this works brilliantly. Look at it. If you look at the candles also from this low, not a single candle has actually closed below the prior day's low. That is very phenomenal way of trend following. Not a single candle agar aap dekhenge has closed below the prior day's low. So imagine that is the power of trend following. So क्या क्या कंबाइन किया हमने, टाइम साइकिल, वॉल्यूम प्रोफाइल, वॉल्यूम्स को देखा, चैनल्स देखा एंड मूविंग एवरेज. इतने से चीजों को हमने देखा एंड वी कैन डिसाइड व्हाट टू डू विद द स्टॉक. Okay, so this is purely from educational perspective I am talking about. This is how you can analyze any small cap stocks irrespective of how much it has gone up or gone down. You can apply these techniques and trade accordingly. Once you have a prudent risk reward, remember, you should place a stop loss before you trade any kind of stocks, whether it's large cap, mid cap or small cap. And you need to have a prudent risk reward proper set होगा तो ही हमें trade लेना है. That is what you have to evaluate yourself, and you have to take a decision. So this is purely from I wanted to share across. I was analyzing. I'm going to come up with more such small cap stocks which can, help you take informed decision by analyzing certain technical parameters. Okay, so this is purely, I'm talking from educational perspective. I'm not recommending you to buy or sell anything. I just a disclaimer, we are SEBI registered research analysts. That's the research analyst number, and we have no holdings here. And this is, as I said, express is purely from educational perspective only. You can get in touch with me on 9920422202. Do subscribe to the YouTube channel at the rate Kyal Ashish, or tweet it across at the rate Kyal Ashish. And I'll come out with more such stocks. So today we talked about Comfort Fin Cap. We will come out with more such small cap stocks that can help you in taking some conviction on trades that you are already betting on. Okay, thank you very much, Ashish Kyal signing off. Have a wonderful day. Thanks a lot.